All right, Disney Cruise Lines, they have made some changes to their health and safety protocols that I'm sure a lot of cruisers will like, a lot of cruisers will enjoy, and will make your cruising experience just a little bit easier. But has Disney Cruise Lines made enough changes to make fans of Disney Cruise Lines, those that have been waiting over 2 years to sail, happy? Has the mouse done enough? Or do cruisers really want more? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, Disney Cruise Line changes to their health and safety program. What have they done and when is it going into effect? Alright, so starting September the 3rd for the Disney Dream, the Disney Fantasy, the Disney Wonder, and the Disney Wish, pre-COVID-19 testing will no longer be required for fully vaccinated passengers. And then the Disney Magic will no longer require the pre-COVID-19 test for vaccinated passengers starting on November the 7th. All right, so just the Magic is November the 7th. All of the other Disney cruise ships start September 23rd. And like I said, the pre-cruise COVID test will no longer be required for vaccinated passengers. So passengers 11 years and younger who are unvaccinated will still have to take a COVID-19 test 3 days prior to sailing, but no testing at the embarkation port will be required. Now that is the changes that Disney has made. The changes they have not made and things that are still into place. You still must be fully vaccinated to sail on board a Disney cruise ship if you are ages 12 and above. So Disney has not, as of yet at least, dropped the vaccination requirement, except for those that are 11 or younger. So if you are a fan of Disney Cruise Lines, love to sail with the mouse, question is, are these good health and safety protocols for you? Do you think Disney should drop the vaccination requirement, or are you happy that Disney is keeping the vaccination requirement in place? I know dropping the testing requirement, that alone is, it's a pretty big deal. It at least saves you the time, the money, the stress of finding a test, taking a test, waiting on the results, and hoping that you're negative so you can embark on board the cruise ship. But are you unvaccinated waiting to sail on Disney? Especially considering the other cruise lines, your Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines. Now they have dropped the vaccination requirement. They are allowing the unvaccinated to sail, and Disney, they've kind of gone their own way, gone their own direction. Yes, they are dropping the pre-cruise COVID test, but they are not dropping the vaccination requirement for ages 12 and above. So what do you guys think on that? Is this good on Disney's part? Not good on Disney's part? And should they have done more? Let me know in the comments below. I am curious to know what Disney Cruise Line fans think about these changes. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.